create Instagram captions with Jasper AI. From the main site, we'll go on the left and click on the create content. In the library, you will choose social media marketing, and here you will find Instagram captions. So in the Instagram captions, you can choose a brand voice, a language, or you can just type the main message. For example, I will just type the key message here, click on the next, and from the additional content, I can just generate a response, and AI will create like a full response for me. So I can just click on the next, and I can just choose a length. I will go for medium and click on the next. I can generate the action captions right here, and it will generate like option. And if I want a different option, I can just continue with the writing here, and it will do it longer and more better. I can just ask if I want to change something. I can just ask a Jasper, just choose a text and ask Jasper if he want to improve it, change the tone, change the length. So I can do it even longer or shorter. I can replace the original text. That's it. That's how to create Instagram captions in Jasper AI. See you in the next video.